Hey everyone, it's Cyndi. I am getting ready for my live sale tomorrow, but I was also doing some fun creative things today. I have a whole bunch of vintage ornament boxes that I collect, and many of them needed repaired. So that was what I was trying to accomplish today. Of course, I had some administrative stuff jump into the mix that I have to handle, and so I'm doing that as well. So I have these wonderful ornament boxes. This is probably my favorite with the Christmas tree. And you can't really tell now, but I did repair the various areas there. And so now what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to take some cellophane. I have this roll of basket wrap, and I'm going to cut that to size. I'm going to put this red line tape around the inside of this box, and I'm going to lay down the cellophane, and when it's done, it's going to look just like new, other than the little fixed tears. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the red line tape on it. Oops, I see I missed a spot. I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. I've cut my plastic to size, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. This is a different one. It had already been repaired by someone with cellophane tape. And the cellophane remained in the box, so I didn't need to do that. But it was torn on the side, so I actually did a little bit of reinforcing here. This is actually very vintage paper, and I wanted to use it. It's more like a cardstock because it was a little bit more matching of the color there. And I think I'm going to actually glue that down a little bit there too. So that gives it a little bit more stability and allows it to you know, last a little bit longer. So I did that. Today is Thursday, and I got in a little bit later to the studio today because I was trying to gather some things at home for kind of an impromptu sale today. I wanted some new things that I hadn't shown before. I am selling in a few minutes, actually maybe a little less than an hour, with Dee from The Thrill of the Thrift. If you don't know that channel, you should check it out. Anyway, I thought I would show you what I'm looking at here in my studio. Are you ready? Yeah, I'm sharing. This is I'm showing you the really pretty, you know, kind of clean space, although that's like I pulled that off of my sale table and just put it there. But all right, here we go. This is what it looks like. All of that is stuff that has to be packaged and shipped. That stuff anyway right there, most of that. And then there's some other stuff that has to be priced. Did I do? Yeah, I did do a haul on that. Some stuff that still has to go out from my last sale. Just other packing stuff. And then all of this here on the floor, like that box has to go home. That's stuff that goes home. That's all shipping stuff. This is stuff that has to be, I think that stuff goes home. I don't even remember. I've been cleaning, believe it or not. When I clean, it gets worse before it gets better. That bag is all stuff I brought from home that's going to be sold here at the studio, used in art or display. My computer, that's all art stuff that needs to find a home. This is the stuff I was working on earlier that I showed you. Most of those boxes are fixed. The one on top needs some plastic. Actually, I think that one, and there's one other one that needs plastic. And then those are done, and those can go home and get out of my way. This is just an empty box. I brought stuff in for the sale today. I didn't really do any art today at all, but I did do art business related stuff today. So I came in and I worked on my artwork. What would I even call these? The backings that go on the pieces. So this one is this particular piece here. So I have that on there. So I've been doing that. I put some of the items back out. That whole pile right there needs to have those backings on them. I can't think of what a good thing to call that. I don't know if backings is quite the right word. Anyway, so that's what's going on here in the studio and has been going on this week. I'll probably try to do some stuff here tomorrow. I have to take my husband to a doctor's appointment in the morning, and then the afternoon I should be back working on stuff. It's going to be a busy weekend as well with all the sourcing and things that I need to do. Anyway, I wanted to let you guys know that I am having an open house here at the studio on Saturday, December 11th from 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. I am in Hudson, Ohio. That same weekend, there's some really fun things going on in town as well. That is the weekend of our Christkindl market. So the little green area right outside my window is transformed into a little shopping area in the evening on the Friday before, and then also that same Saturday of my open house. So it might be a fun time for you to come out and check out our little town of Hudson, as well as stop by and say hi. So thanks for joining me. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.